Directly. Shit.
Sorry, Jimmy, I died while I was throwing it and it ended up fucking burning you.
That's fine. I thought you were like trying to attack the guy chasing me. I was like, oh man.
I pulled it and then I started getting swarmed. I was like, oh fuck, and just tossed it. And then it started burning you. I was like, oh fuck.
I've done that before, like mashing the key to try to attack something, and I pulled a grenade, and I'm like, oh fuck, it's good now.
We definitely call this game Frenzy for a reason.
Yeah, no shit. It's so bloody. There's just like dead bodies everywhere. So much blood. That one is like fucking 2 and it's 3 in its fucking head.
Reloading. Let's get some of that.
Cheeky bastard.
Oh shit.
Station, we're prepped and ready. Let us know if you need fire support.
Green to green, dude. Let's go. Hey, can I get the cover? Get me assassin. We need assassin. Station, this is observer. Get the gunship over here. We're gonna need.
Observer, this is station. Gunship on.
Read the book. Oh no.
Woo, we all lit him up.
Yeah, he got killed fast. And his Kevlar is done.
Oh shit.
Ah, it's a jug!
No!
I didn't realize it was. So I just fired like 5 shots in his chest and then stopped.
You walked right through you. I tried to cover you too, but I also shot you once.
Sorry about that fire guy. His freaking guy came out right out of the corner.
Oh shit, I don't want to step outside. Woo!
Sorry.
It's all good. Thought I was getting stabbed, motherfucker shot me. Oh no. No, we lost Jimothy!
Where's my team? Are they all dead?
I'm
I'm just gonna go for the objective.
I'm
Fuck it.
alive, I'm making my way downtown. Walking fast.
Zombies passing.
fast. Oh dude, I'm gonna record this. A zombie on fire ran by me screaming when we said that. Oh god.
Zombies passing. I'm scared now.
Oh, I mean, some random dude leads you.
Diddly diddly doo. Diddly 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 doo. Diddly diddly doo. You're burning. Diddly diddly doo. It's hurting.
Clear. Everyone, hey, what's your status?
I'm just the guy who captures this point on my own every time.